Tower Defense Empire is a 3D mobile game based on tower defense, featuring cel-shaded artwork and colorful cast of cartoon heroes. Data is the lifeblood of any mobile game, which is why big data technology can help us improve our operation accuracy and efficiency immensely. When we adopt Analytics Kit to obtain insights into our operations, we can use the customizable dashboard feature to display the metrics we want to see in a single and uncluttered report. This allows us to quickly view the metrics we want without need for additional configuration. Analytics Kit also allows us to analyze user conversion rate for each stage of the consumer lifecycle. In September 2019, when we used the funnel analysis model provided by Analytics Kit, we found that the activation to registration conversion rate was less than 50%. Our programmers figured out that this was due to device compatibility issues causing the game to crash on many devices before the user could successfully register. The programmers were then able to quickly resolve the issue. Based on the retention analysis model, we found that the 3-day retention rate had dropped by 10%. We used the event analysis and audience analysis models to accurately locate user churn scenarios, analyze churn causes, and create user profiles. We learned users' preferences from the user profiles that we created and used PushKit to push activities and gift packages to different churned users. These targeted actions allowed us to get back 10% of the churned users. In addition, PushKit also pushed interview invitations to users who had not churned in order to collect a large number of suggestions on game improvement, of which 92% were useful. The abundant information and models provided by Analytics Kit and targeted user reach of PushKit have helped us develop precise marketing and product optimization policies for Tower Defense Empire.